Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark on istock images and you use it for free without it showing istock watermark on it. And you know, as a content creator, at times you want to go online and do some illustration. Maybe as a video editor you are looking for some illustrations you can use to make up your video, and you go to istock and you jam up this video where you want to download, but you see istock watermark all over it, or you see a picture with istock watermark all over it. Well, no more, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove it very easily and for free without paying money to anyone. That means you are going to use a istock free istock images free without watermark in 2023. So guys, watch this video to the end, and as usual I'm going to use a screen recording. And if today is the first time of viewing my YouTube video, my name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student at the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, please kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting any updates anytime I post a new video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. So I'll be using a screen recording to show you step-by-step tutorial on how you can go about it. So watch this video to the end and don't forget to share it. Let's go. So guys, after heading on to istock website and you see a picture you want to download, just like this one as you can see on the screen, if you look closely you are going to see this istock watermark on it. If you look closely you are going to see istock watermark on the images. So what you simply do is, I'm going to download this particular image and I'm going to show you how I will be able to remove this istock watermark on it. So what I simply do is I press on it, you understand, I press on it, I want to download. So you see download image, I click here on the download and the image is downloading. So as you can see, I've downloaded it. Let me open it. You will see how I've downloaded the image. Let it open. So this is the image with the istock watermark on it. If you can see, this is the images with istock watermark. If you look closely you see istock powered by Getty Images. So I'm going to just show you simply how I will remove this watermark from this particular picture, and I'm going to use it to edit my video. Actually, using istock watermark images doesn't mean you are going to get a copyright on your videos on YouTube, but in order to make your editing looks more excellent and more professional, I'm going to show you how you can remove it and how you can use it. So I'll just go back, you understand, I'll just go back to this is my Google Chrome, or you can use any browser of your choice. You open a new tab. If you open a new tab, you are going to put in this keyword as you can see on the screen. The name of this keyword is watermark remover. As you can see on the screen, watermark remover .io, and you send watermark remover.io as you can see on the screen, and you allow it to send. So this is watermark remover.io on the first page. You click on it and you allow it to open. So it says remove watermarks from your images for free. So this is for free. What I simply do is I will just come back here as you can see, and I'll click on upload image. I'm going to upload that image I downloaded. So I'm going to upload. Let it open for me to upload an image from my gallery. So let's wait for it to open. So guys, it has opened, and I'm going to upload that image I downloaded with the istock watermark. So I will just click on it, look at it here, and I will say done, you understand, and I will allow it to let it reflect here. So I'm going to allow it to reflect here. It is loading. So you're going to see the image I just downloaded here on So the image is processing and we got to wait for it so that it can appear here on the screen. So guys, this is it. It says, as you can see, this is the first image with the watermark. If you look closely, I'm going to see istock on the background. This is the first original image, and this is the watermark that is being removed. If you see here, you are not going to see the watermark again. You are not going to see like anything like istock here. So you download this one, you click on it and you download image and you allow it to download. So guys, I'm going to show you a proof by going back on my phone. I'll be going back on my phone and I'll go to my gallery, and on my gallery I will show you the two images and I'm going to show you the difference. I realize, let's allow my gallery. So this is download, and you're going to see the two images. This one is the one with the watermark, this is the one with the watermark, and this is the one without the watermark. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.